So you want to see spirits? Well, if that's the case, stay tuned. I've got a few really simple to learn techniques to help you see spiritually. And why don't we see spirits all the time anyway? Did you know that the front of your eyeball actually has filters in it designed to block certain light frequencies? And most of what they're blocking is the frequencies that spirits are residing in. So it blocks our infrared and our ultraviolet, and it reduces the amount of light that we can see with the front of our eyes. But you may notice that you see things go past you on the side, and then when you turn to look, they're gone. The reason is because your peripheral vision does not have a filter on it. Your peripheral vision will actually pick up on different light frequencies. And when you turn to look at it, because of that filter that blocks those frequencies, you'll think that it's not there, and it could actually be looking right at your face. In order to help you see spirits, it's very easy, and I'm going to help you with some real basic guidelines. The number one thing to see spiritually is to try not to see spiritually. What you want to do is look past the item of which you're trying to see. You want your eyes to go slightly out of focus, because that's when you're filtering out and your brain is telling you what's there and what's not there. So we're kind of a complicated system here, and what we want to do is see past our own filters. It's really helpful to do some mind exercises. I love to listen to HemiSync CDs. That will actually activate both left and right hemispheres of your brain, and that will activate your ability to see spiritually much better. Of course, there's meditation. When you meditate, you relax your mind and you allow yourself to see what's in front of you rather than blocking it out. So meditation really helps you see spirits. You could also do some drumming, chanting, repetitive prayer. All of those things can help you slip into a theta brainwave, and that will really increase your ability to see spiritually. Most mediums perceive spirits mentally, so learning to see spirits physically is a whole nother skill. Are you familiar with 3D pictures where you're staring at the picture and looking at the dots, and pretty soon a picture forms? The art of looking at 3D pictures teaches you to put a kind of soft focus on your eyes, and what that means is you're not staring directly at the item, you're slightly looking past it. You're not focusing in and honing in on one particular area. That ability is really what helps you see spirits with these eyes. This can be developed, and it's so much easier than you think. For those of you who would like some more advanced techniques to see spirits, I highly recommend Mediumship Scrying and Transfiguration, which just happens to be the name of my second book. Mediumship Scrying and Transfiguration for Beginners was published by Llewellyn, and in that book it will take you step by step through each process to help you see spiritually. I love to look at optical illusions and prepare my mind and my eyes to see more than what's there. That kind of puts me in a more open-minded state and allows me to be more receptive and perceptive. My very favorite technique to see spiritually is actually scrying. I used mediumship scrying to help me develop my spiritual sight. It was much easier for me to perceive the spirit world anytime that I wanted to, because I had trained my eyes with the ability to soft focus and see into the frequencies of where the spirit world exists. And guess what? Everybody can learn how to do this. If you'd like to master your mediumship, come to my 2-day class. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy all your adventures and seeing your loved ones again and developing your own natural, God-given ability to see spirits. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.